Frontline.io Remote Assist is capable of running inside Microsoft Teams. Here's how to set it up. In Teams, open the App Store and search for Frontline Meeting. Select it, then add it to your Teams environment. Depending on your organization's policy, this step may require approval from your IT administrator. Once installed, sign into Frontline.io with your own credentials. Then choose the workspace you want the call to run from. Now create a new meeting. With the meeting created, select your microphone and your camera before connecting. There are 3 ways to bring someone into the call. Share a meeting link, send an email invitation, or dial a device ID directly. In this example, I'll copy the meeting link, open the participant's chat in Teams, and send it across. The participant selects the link and joins the call.
Take your time. When you're ready, find the blue connector on the lower left of that panel. Perfect. Now, no rush, just press the signal harness above it until you feel it click.
Remote Assist offers far more once you're in a live session. We'll cover those capabilities in a separate tutorial. Thanks for watching.